In the previous videos, we have seen how you can view Anstrex data in different formats by selecting different tabbed views. Under Top Creatives tab, you can view the data from creatives or ad campaigns standpoint. Under Top Products tab, we use product-centric approach to show you the top-performing e-commerce and dropship products on paid video ads such as TikTok. In this video, we will cover Top Stores tab, which is a store-centric approach to view and analyze the data. In this view, you will see top-performing e-commerce stores that were identified from the paid video ad campaigns on TikTok. As always, the user interface is consistent with the other tabs. You have a drop-down filter and sort options available at the top. Below that, you have the slider bar that contains various sliders for numerical parameters and a search button that leads to modal dialog box for basic and advanced search. The data is presented to you in a card format, with each card representing a single store. Let's first look at the available drop-down filters. The first one is the platform filter that allows you to view stores running a specific e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. Category filter can be used to identify stores carrying products belonging to certain categories such as consumer electronics, fashion, clothing, etc. Please note that each store may be assigned to more than one category when a diverse range of products are detected. GeoFilter allows you to look for the stores acquiring significant traffic from specific countries. Supplier Match Filter allows you to identify stores that have items that are found on popular dropship suppliers such as AliExpress. This filter helps you in identifying dropshipping stores. In addition, you have multiple sorting options as shown on your screen. Most traffic in 30 days. This sorting method finds stores which are receiving maximum impressions on paid video ads such as TikTok in last 30 days. Longest running. This sorting method orders the stores based on the duration for which it has been in business. Most traffic overall. This sorting method looks at the overall traffic from all the organic and paid sources to identify stores getting maximum visitors from all the sources, including search engines, social media, paid ads, referrals, etc. We assign a global rank based on the total traffic, and best ranking stores are shown on the top in this view. Most ad likes. In this sorting option, the stores are ordered by the total number of likes they have received from all their in-stream video ads from providers such as TikTok. Most ad views. In this sorting option, the stores are ordered by the total number of views or impressions they have received from all their in-stream video ads from providers such as TikTok. Highest product count. This sort method looks at the number of products found in each store and orders them by stores with maximum number of products. In addition, you also have several date sorting options which are self-explanatory. Below the drop-down menu bar, you have the slider bar to adjust the range of various numerical filters such as days running. Total likes for the in-stream video ads promoted by the store. Total views or impressions for the in-stream video ads promoted by the store. Global rank, which is assigned to stores based on the overall traffic it receives from various organic, social, and paid traffic sources. Please note that many stores receive very few visitors and therefore cannot be assigned a global rank due to lack of data. For such stores, we show the infinity symbol as shown on your screen. Number of products slider bar allows you to adjust the results based on the product count in the store. Here, you also have access to basic and advanced search methods which allow you to specify keywords to identify specific products. The mechanics and working of both basic and advanced search has been discussed in detail in other tutorial videos. Please view those videos to understand how the search functions work in Anstrex. On the results page, each store is represented by a card which contains several key parameters such as date the first product was added to the store, last active date for the store identified by Anstrex, store logo, store domain name, total likes received by all the product from various ads, total views received by all the products from various in-stream video ads, product count or number of products found in the store, global rank of the store. Please note that lower the number, more traffic it receives. Country flag icons representing the primary geo-distribution of store traffic. Clicking on the store will fetch a lot more information about the store, including traffic sources, demographic data, ads detected by Anstrex, product library for that store, and much more. The first tab is the Synopsis tab that gives you a comprehensive view of all the data for the store. Next tab is the Visitors tab that shows you important information such as average monthly visitors, gender distribution, and age distribution of the store traffic. Next tab is Geo tab that shows the % traffic distribution from different countries. Please note that this data and some other data is based on traffic from all the organic and paid sources, not just in-stream video ad campaigns. Traffic tab shows the % distribution from sources such as organic search, paid search, social, referral, etc. Referrals tab shows traffic from various third-party websites that link into the store. Search tab shows the primary keywords, both paid and organic, driving traffic to the store. In-stream ads shows the various video ads leading to the store. Clicking on any of the video ad or creative will open another multi-tab panel specific to video ad. Ads Info tab shows information on other paid traffic sources such as display and banner advertising. Products tab shows the entire inventory with a graph showing when products were added to the store as a function of time, followed by product listing in card format with each product on individual card. Each card contains some key parameters and available actions for each product, such as date on which the product was first introduced, date on which the product was last seen by Anstrex, product image, product title, product price in US dollars and local currency if different, a button that directly links to product page on the store. Clicking on this button will open product page in a new browser tab. A button that searches for similar images on Google to find alternate suppliers for the product. This is particularly useful for products that are drop-shipped. A button that searches for similar product on AliExpress and other drop-ship suppliers. In addition, if Anstrex was able to find the same product on one of the dropship suppliers, you will be able to see additional filters such as the ones shown on your screen. In this case, Anstrex was able to detect products from 2 suppliers, namely DHgate and Banggood. Let's enable each filter to see them in action. The DHgate filter shows multiple items with direct link to the supplier page. You can open the supplier page in a new browser tab by clicking on the button. Similarly, Banggood filter shows one product match. Again, you will have a direct link to the supplier web page as shown on your screen. This is an extremely helpful feature if you are trying to build your own dropship store. We now conclude this comprehensive tutorial on how to identify and analyze top stores acquiring traffic from paid in-stream video ads on platforms such as TikTok. I will see you again in another tutorial video. Cheers!